Hello student, good morning to all of you. Student, in today's class we are going to solve some numerical based on projectile motion. So here we have the first numerical. Just write, a ball is thrown horizontally from the top of a tower, thrown horizontally from the top of the tower with a speed of 50 meter per second. Find the velocity and the position at the end of 3 seconds. At the end of 3 seconds. Okay. So first we have given in the question that a ball is thrown with initial velocity 50 meter per second, okay, and horizontally. Next, time is 3 seconds. Okay, just see the situation. This is O, X and Y. The ball is thrown from a top of a tower horizontally. This is the situation. Then for this, when we resolve the velocity component at initial point, then this is uy, this is ux, and when we draw the tangent to the path or trajectory of the ball, then we get this angle is theta. Okay, now let's say after some time the ball is reached at this point and it makes, this is ux, this is uy, or we can say vy, and this is the direction of the ball, theta, with the horizon. Okay, so as we discussed in the theory, I will just solve the first example on the basis of the theory. ठीक है, थ्योरी में हमने क्या पढ़ा है, that this point is B and this is A. हमें एक बताना है उसका पोजीशन. There are two positions of the ball at the starting point. Height of the ball from the ground. First we need to this explain, and second the distance where the ball is striking the ground. एक ही है, ठीक है. तो हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल दोनों डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकालने हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी आर प्रोजेक्टिंग और अप्रोचिंग द क्वेश्चन फॉर द मोशन अलोंग OX. ओके, व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट मोशन अलोंग OX, तो आपके पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं माइंड में, दैट यू हैव ux is equal to u for the motion. The velocity given to the body initially is 50 meter and there is no acceleration acting on the horizontal velocity, so it will be constant, which is equal to this and 50 meter per second. I think understood? Here we have that ax is 0 meter per second square. Okay, and for the motion we have 3 seconds. Okay, now ux you have, and the displacement in direction of x, what is O to B. This OB is equal to given by ux t plus half ax t square. Okay. Now by using these all value, we get this x is equal to 50 into 3 plus 0. Therefore, distance OB, which is equal to x, is 150 meters. So the position at where the ball strike the ground is 150 meter from its starting point or foot of starting point. Second is motion along OY. OY क्या डिफाइन करेगा? That is in vertical direction. Here what we have? So in vertical direction UI we have 0 because when it is at A, it is at rest and after it is projected. Okay. So we have here AY which is equal to G. We will take it negative, we will take it positive because it is condition of free fall, which is equal to 9.8 per meter per second square. We have time again 3 seconds. Okay. Now tell me the velocity, final velocity in vertical direction. As it is moving from this point A vertically down, initial velocity is 0. After a certain instant, the velocity will gain by the particle in the vertical direction because of acceleration due to gravity, and it is given by first equation of motion, that is Vy is equal to Uy plus Ay. Clear? So this will be how much? 9.8 t. T is कितना है t हमारे पास? is 3 seconds. So this will be 29.4 meter per second. One digit we get this. Okay. Now we need to determine this starting position of the body. So this starting position y is equal to what? Height of the projectile, which is given by uyt plus half ayt square. This is h is equal to 0 plus half 9.8 into 3 square. Okay. Now when you solve this, this will 4.9. This 4.9 into this square of 3 is 9. Now multiply कितना? 44.1 meter. So the particle, when it is started this motion, it is at position 44.1 meter above the ground. Next you need to calculate what? The final velocity. Okay, by which it is striking the ground. So the velocity is striking the ground is, see, at this point when we complete the rectangle, so this we have ux, this we have vy, and this is the resultant velocity. This is the concept at where we derive the velocity of the particle in horizontal motion when it is at any point or any time. Okay, so this is given by the rectangular component vy square plus ux square. Okay, now we have the velocity ux is 50 and this is your uy. So by using this you will get how much? 29.4 square plus 50 square. Okay, this you will be getting 50 square is 2529, square of 29, 841 and 0.5. Just calculate it. Eight 48, 840, 860.36, 860.36. Just add it. This is equal to 3360.36. Just calculate the square of this 3660. Point छोड़ दो. Just calculate 57 or 58 square. Because 60 का कितना जाएगा 3600 and we have here what 33, तो 60 से कम ही होगा, तो 57 58 निकालो. Some of you just calculate 58 and some of you calculate 57.
So 57 3249.
32.3249, तो ये नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट. नियर अबाउट इट को चलेगा. So this will be 58.2 meter per second, or you can use here, how much is your answer? The striking velocity is 58 meter per second, so approximate between this. Approximate the starting position at the vertical height is 44 meter below the ground, ठीक है, and 150 meter horizontally away from the starting point. Complete. Okay. Next. Done. Next. Right. A body is projected downwards. A body is projected downwards at an angle of 30 degree. At an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal. With a velocity of 9.8 meter per second. With a velocity of 9.8 meter per second from the top of a tower, 29.4 meter high. 29.4 meter high. How long will it take before striking the ground? डायग्राम सीन बन जाएगा. Okay. You need to calculate time. Okay. What is given? Velocity, initial velocity ux, u is equal to 9.8 meter per second. Okay, आपको निकालना है टाइम, that is time of flight, and for calculating time of flight you need to approach only for the vertical velocity. So tell me how much is the vertical velocity? So uy is equal to u sin 30 degree, because theta is given to you with horizontal is 30 degree. So this is 9.8 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. This uy you will get after projecting is 4.9 meter per second. This is your velocity. Now tell me acceleration. Ay is equal to positive g, which is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now for calculating this time, motion along, because when it is projected from here it will be in motion along vertical direction. Therefore the displacement y is given uyt plus half ayt square, and I think this is also given to you. Height from the ground is given, which is 29.4. H is equal to 29.4 meter. Now use here 29.4. This uy is 4.9 into t plus half 9.8 into t square. This will cancel 4.9. Now 29.4 equal to 4.9 t plus 4.9 t square. Now 4.9 is common. We get t square plus t equal to 29.4. Just tell me it will be cancel out or not? कितनी बार?
6.
So this you will get by cancelling this t square plus t. Therefore you will get t square plus t minus 6 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation and tell me how much is the answer.
2 seconds.
करो. Factor of 6 by subtracting we get 1 is 3 into 2. So this t square plus 3t minus 2t minus 6 is equal to 0. So t is common, t plus 3 minus 2 is common, t plus 3, and this is 0. We get finally t plus 3 equal to 0, that is t equal to minus 3, and t minus 2 equal to 0, that is t equal to 2. So time is a scalar quantity and real value, so it will be only taken as positive. So the time to strike the ground after projecting is 2 seconds. Okay, done. Right, next question. A projectile is given an initial velocity of v, or you can say u is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap, where I and j cap are unit direction vectors. Vertically upward. Find the Cartesian equation of its path. Find the Cartesian equation of its path if g is equal to 9.8. Okay. The projectile is thrown with initial velocity and it covers horizontal as well as vertical direction. So it is oblique projectile. This. Okay, for this we have this u, that is I cap plus 2 j cap. Okay, just I will discuss it at this point P. When we draw the tangent, this is u initial, this is the vertical uy, and this is ux with making an angle theta. Okay, हमें इसका इक्वेशन देना है और this. Okay. As per Cartesian rule, as I explained to you before the starting of this, from here you just compare this with the velocity vector. तो velocity vector के फॉर्म में ये क्या कंपेयर कर लेंगे आप, ux I cap plus uy j cap. Clear? Now how much you get from here? So from here you will get that ux is equal to 1 meter per second and uy is equal to 2 meter per second. Okay, now just calculate this angle of projection. You have this 2 meter and this is 1 meter. If you have the value of base and the perpendicular in your right angle triangle, you can easily calculate the value of tan theta. How much is it? So this is equal to 2 by 1. Clear? Now form a triangle with O, A, B. You have this 2 and this is 1. Just tell me how much is this. So by this OB is equal to under root of square of 2 plus 1. You will get this is equal to 4 plus 1. So OB is what? Under root 5 meter per second square. This is what? Initial velocity. Clear? This is the initial velocity. What is this? In term of u, so u is given to you this. Okay. Now, what we have the equation? We have that y is equal to x tan theta minus half gt square or half g u square cos square theta x square. यही तो है. Now you have all the values except of this cos theta. Calculate from here the cos theta. Base upon this cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Use here. X tan theta is 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. This g is 9.8. This u just calculated under root 5 square. This value 1 upon root 5 square and this we have the x square. कितना यूज करने को कहा आपने? g
9.8.
10 यूज करना. Use this g as 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this will be how much? 10. On solving this cancel by 5 times. 2x minus 5x square upon square root of 5 is 5 and 1 upon square root of 5 is 5. This cancel. Then you will get the equation of the path 2x minus 5x square. Okay, this is your equation. Okay. So this is how we solve the question based on the projectile motion. The next question is, a projectile has same range. A projectile has same range r with the maximum height attained by it is either h1 or h2. Full stop. Find the relation between r, h1 and h2. Okay, do this homework